So many people moved into brand new homes in Calgary in 2022. Now, new homes obviously have their benefits, one of those being the coverages that are provided by home builders in the form of a warranty that covers issues with your new home. Even though I hear a lot of customers and clients refer to the Alberta New Home Warranty as one of the main reasons for purchasing new, often the details of what this warranty covers is only vaguely understood. Hey everyone, Steve Lockyer here, and today we're going to talk about something that might not be the most, exciting topic, but it's definitely important if you're in the market for a new home. And specifically, going to talk about the Alberta New Home Warranty. But before I get into the details, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so yet. Remember, hit that like button, comment below, and ring that notification bell so that you never miss a video about the real estate market in Calgary and surrounding areas. Let's go. So the Alberta New Home Warranty basically is a program that's designed to protect new home buyers in Alberta from any issues that might come out during the first few years of owning your new home. So, you can imagine maybe like a time you've heard of other people who were cooking up a storm in the kitchen and maybe realized the gas line wasn't installed properly. Yikes. Or perhaps when you even woke up to a puddle in your living room because the plumbing wasn't done right. Well, the Alberta New Home Warranty has got you covered for these kind of issues. Now, the warranty covers a variety of things like defects in materials and workmanship, as well as defects in the home's major systems. An example, or some examples would be heating, plumbing, and electrical systems. Plus, it covers building code compliance and energy efficiency, and it also protects against major structural defects that might not become apparent until several years after you move in. I'm going to just provide you a quick little breakdown of the coverage. So basically, it covers 1 year on labor and materials, 2 years on delivery and distribution systems, and 5 years on major structural components. Now, before you start thinking this warranty is perhaps like a magic wand or something that will fix everything, just let me tell you that it doesn't cover normal wear and tear damages caused by natural disasters or any damages caused by your own neglect or misuse. It also doesn't cover landscaping, fencing, or other exterior features that are not directly related to the structure of the home, especially that the builder puts in. If you are actually looking for a new home right now, you're in that market, make sure you just familiarize yourself with the Alberta New Home Warranty and what it covers. Remember, here in Alberta, we do get a lot of hail, in Calgary especially, so that's a natural disaster. It would be kind of outside that scope of the warranty. This isn't insurance. I want to make that distinction too. It's a warranty. That's provided by the builder. So if you encounter any issues that fall under the coverage and the scope of this warranty, you should contact the builder or developer first. You could set something up, contact the area manager. They're responsible for making sure that the issues are addressed and resolved first. It's also worth mentioning that the warranty only covers new homes that are purchased from registered builders here in Alberta. And who participate in the warranty program. If you're buying a resale home, just remember that the warranty will not apply. So again, the Alberta New Home Warranty, it is a great resource for new home buyers in this province, providing protection for defects and issues. Again, that may arise in the first few years of owning your new home. Again, I can't stress how important it is to understand the coverage, the time frames, and the limitations of the program so that you know exactly what to expect and what to do if you do encounter any issues. Please don't start jumping up and down on the counters, swinging from chandeliers, or using your wall as a canvas for your modern art masterpieces. If you have kids, you guess you can't avoid it, but this won't be covered by that warranty. Also, you could still, under this warranty, if you want something fixed apart from the warranty and apart from the builder, you could still call a handy person or someone that you know that is able to fix things. And in case they mess things up, you do have a backup plan. If you're thinking about resale or kind of trying to think about selling your home, whether it's within that 10-year, 5 to 10 year period of time, you're still able to actually transfer that warranty over to the buyer. Similarly, if you're buying a home that's still covered under the Alberta New Home Warranty, that warranty, the seller will transfer it under you. So it's a good thing to have. It does provide a little bit of extra value on top of everything else for your home. If you like more information, please, I'm going to put the website in the description below for the Alberta New Home Warranty. If you're thinking about buying new and you're in the market, please feel free to call, text, or email me. Be happy to answer any questions that you have, provide further information as you need. All right, said enough with that. I hope you have a great day and a great week.